No, absolutely. So yeah, as we were saying when we started, I mean, it's not incrementally a lot more, but I think we were down about 60 points when we started. We are down, some more, 90 points or so. At one point, we were down 100. The low last week was 18,837. So we've gotten closer to that particular level by the end of today's session. Mayuresh, thank you very much for joining us. Good speaking with you. It's a pleasure. Let's just look at the Nifty Bank as well. Nifty Bank will end about 0.25% lower, a little better in terms of the performance vis-a-vis the Nifty. So it's a 0.25% cut on the Nifty Bank. It's a 0.5% cut nearly on the Nifty. And the small cap and mid cap indices, which were flat when we started, they're flat. I mean, slightly down the small cap index, but for all practical purposes, absolutely flat. The mid cap index is down about 0.33% as well. So there, I think it's still not that as bad. They lost the most, but they also bounced the most, especially the small cap part of the market. So that is something to be noted. On the Nifty, if you can just quickly look at the top losers, I think we've got Adani Enterprises, which is down 3.5%. SBI Life, we just talked about it, 2.5% lower. Coal India is down 2 1/3. Asian Paints is down 2%, and Tata Steel, another one we were talking about, is down 2% as well. So you got about 5 or 2% plus losers. There were two names with 2% plus gains as well on the Nifty. There's Pharma, which reported numbers. Numbers seem to be a little better than expectations. And BPCL, which ends up about 2.25% as well. Rima.
Well, Blue Jet Healthcare, that was the new kid on the block today, had a fairly decent day. So it's ending up with a gain of close to about 19%. So pretty steady start. Apart from that, in terms of the big losers reacting to numbers, JSPL down nearly 8%. Keynes Technology ends with a cut of about 3.5%, but off from the session lows. REC also sees a bit of profit booking, though the numbers look pretty healthy. On the gaining side, you had Vodafone Idea, stock up close to about 8%. Indus Towers reacting favorably. Birla Soft strong beat on revenues and on margins, and the stock was higher in trade. And plus, other names like Amara Raja also reacting to the numbers. All in all, it's going to be a close below that 18,900 mark. 90 points gone on the Nifty. The Sensex lower by close to about 300 points. 0.5% gone. The advanced decline ratio ending well in favor of the losing side. What the street will be tracking from here on as we wrap out today's trading action will be numbers. So we still have numbers awaited from the likes of a Britannia. I think even Tata Steel is going to be reporting numbers, which will come out later. And then the big event will be the Fed decision at 11:30 p.m.
And, we, of course, track that from early morning tomorrow. That is Thursday morning. Well, so that's a close, a disappointing one if you were hoping for a bit of a rebound or anything. But, looks like there has been more pain. So that 300-point bounce over last Friday and this Monday, all but nearly gone now with the cuts that we've seen over the last two sessions. It's a wrap on this edition, a closing bell from all of us here. Goodbye. But don't go anywhere. Our special offering, Financial Quotient, comes up next in just a bit.